bonjour, good morning. My name is Christelle, I'm French, and today is day 8 of my trip to Frankfurt in Germany, and I'm actually going back to France today. It's 5:25 and my bus is at 6:30 and I need to get a tram to go to the bus first. I am loaded, big bag and all that. Goodbye, very nice room. Goodbye. On the previous days, I didn't feel like the walk from the hotel to the station was safest. I'm taking the 21 to the Hausbahnhof station. So that's why I wanted to take a tram with all my bags and my gear on me. Number 21, forever stopping in the middle of the street. Then I took a Flixbus going from Frankfurt to Mannheim. Alright, I'm so tired. So I had booked a train actually from Frankfurt to Paris and then to Rennes. But I received an email from the SNCF saying that the train station at Frankfurt would be closed today because of construction work or something, I don't know. And that I had to take the train at the next stop, which was Mannheim. So that's why I got a Flixbus from Frankfurt to Mannheim. Hausbahnhof. So train station. Actually reading Passager pour Francfort. It's in French, I'm not sure the title in English. Paris Est. Then a train going from Mannheim to Paris, so that would be Gare de l'Est, the East station. In Paris, the metro was a mess, as per usual. And then another train from Paris, Gare de Montparnasse, so Montparnasse station, to Rennes. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this series of videos in Germany, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Bye!